Okay, let's look at Hemingway. This is an application that will help us improve the clarity of our writing. It is not a grammar checker, but let's look at what it does. So we see here Hemingway, this one has been highlighted in yellow, and what it is telling us is that this is a college level reading. We can use simpler words or consider splitting it into two sentences to make it easier to read. Second one is this kind of reddish one, and it says this is very hard to read. So it says it's post-college level. That means after you graduate from college, maybe in graduate school. So we want to consider splitting it into two sentences and maybe using simpler words. We see an adverb here in blue, and Hemingway wants us to be careful about using adverbs. It doesn't mean you cannot use them, but sometimes it might be better to find a strong verb. Then we have the word utilize here in sort of a purplish color. Well, it gives us an example. Use a simpler word. Now, it doesn't give us an example here, but use is the suggestion that they make here. And then we have a passive voice here. And passive voice is okay as long as you don't use too much of it, or as long as you don't distort your message. Okay, let's practice one. So I have taken a paragraph that I have in my file. So I go to write and I copy in the paragraph I want to look at. And then I click on edit, and it gives me the feedback on this paragraph. So it doesn't like in addition, so it suggests using also, besides, or to. Okay, in this case, if I did choose one of those, I would have to change the whole phrase. It also says this sentence is hard to read, so I might make it simpler. Again, these are suggestions. You don't have to follow them, but if your reading score over here is above 10, then you may want to follow some of the suggestions to improve the clarity, the readability of your writing. Thank you.